guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we're going to be doing some healthy stuff for you. So that's going to be a brown fried rice. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. 1 cup brown rice, already cooked. About 7 to 8 cherry tomatoes. 25 grams of mixed bell peppers, that's red, yellow and green. 25 grams of thinly chopped cabbage, coriander leaves, ginger garlic powder, oregano powder, black salt, soy sauce, oil and apple cider vinegar. In a pan, first we are going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To that I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes and 25 grams of bell peppers, my cabbage. Next I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oregano, some ginger garlic powder, some black salt, toss the same on high flame. It does not require a lot of cooking. You can add other vegetables to what you like mushrooms, broccoli. I'm going to add some soy sauce. And lastly, my brown rice. Lovely. And our healthy brown rice is ready. So our brown fried rice is ready. So brown rice is extremely healthy if you're following a carb-based diet because it's low in glycemic index. It has fiber, that means it gives you the feeling of satiety and fullness. That means you won't get hungry very soon. Also, it helps you to reduce your cholesterol. Thank you for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek's core pilates and amazing awesome recipes. Thank you so much. See you next time.